Hello everyone, my name is Vinay and you're watching Hobby to Profession. Today we are going to talk about some really interesting topic that is called fake news. Fake news is very common these days, especially on social media platforms. Whether we talk about Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, all social media platforms, fake news is everywhere. Fake news is initiated by some specific people, but this is spread by all of us. This happens when we forward any content from our social account without verifying it. The good news is that WhatsApp has recently taken a strong step in this direction to deal with fake news that is spread through WhatsApp. We must have seen many advertisements by WhatsApp where they explain that a forwarded message has a tag on it. It's mentioned as forwarded on the message itself. That's how you can understand that this message was not created by the person who has forwarded this to you. So you need to be very careful about forwarding this kind of message. I used to verify this kind of messages on Google. Now WhatsApp has made the job really easy with their new feature known as checkpoint Tipline. It's very easy to use this feature. All you need to add this specific number to your contact list with the name checkpoint Tipline. Once this number is added to your WhatsApp, you can forward any fishy content to this number. You will get initial reply immediately that your request has been taken. Now WhatsApp will validate that content for you. This is really a great step by WhatsApp to deal with fake news. So I'm sure we all are going to take advantage of this great feature launched by WhatsApp. And I hope that you like this video as well. If you really liked it, please click the like button and share it with your friends and family. And please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. I'll see you again with my next video with some more interesting content. Till that time, take care. Bye bye.